So come on, give me love. I'ma show you how to move with my body.
Hey y'all, welcome to Hobby Lobby. We're gonna check out what they have for Valentine's Day. We're looking for cute home decor, cute little things just to like brighten the season and move on from Christmas. So let's see what they have. These ice molds, these are always really popular. Ooh, I think I took a bunch, unless it's a set. No, they're just together. But super cute heart ice molds. You can also do this, I think, with like chocolate too, which is really cute. These are $4.99, which is a great price. They have the smaller ones. This is more like decor if you're doing like a Valentine's Day party. They have cute little hanging decorations for $2.99. These are cute little hearts. I really like those. I'm not doing a party this year, but if you are, you need to come to Hobby Lobby. Ooh, balloon kit. This is really cute. They have all the different essentials for creating a little backdrop. If you're making a cute little Valentine's Day, Galentine's Day basket, they have all the cute little paper shreds and confetti. And finally, girls, all this is 40% off, okay? See, when it was out for Christmas, it was not on sale yet, but the sale is here. The sale is here. These are always cute, these little treat bags or like basket bags. Once you make your basket, you can cover it in this, which is really cute. That's just $1.99. Lots of napkins and plates, all the cute things for giving like little party favors. These are really cute. These are little just Valentine's Day party decor, wall decor. You can hang that up on like a little wreath. That's for inside though, not outside. Those are adorbs. More wall decor, different types of vibes. Always love Hobby Lobby for all the different assortment that they carry. This is cute. I'm not sure what this is, but I don't know what this would be for. Oh, it's just a floral square. I guess you could use it to create, a backdrop, a table runner, or a floral waterfall backdrop. That's really pretty. And this is $12.99. Very cute. These are cute, small little wall decor wreaths. Again, very nice. Really like those. More like crafts, top of table items. You are loved. That's really cute. And again, all these items are 40% off. It's a cute little yard pick. Adorable. This is kind of like a continuation of Christmas, but for Valentine's Day. So the viral kind of like garland that you can use across your fireplace. This is $12.99. You can combine multiple ones if you want to. That is really cute. We only have 2 of these, so you can tell these are popular. They have different pink and white, more disco style. These are all 40% off as well. All cute little party favors for the kiddos, for all the class Valentine's Day exchanges. They have masks, they have books. Oh, I think I'm gonna get this book. Love You Like No Otter. That is very cute. Happy Valentine's Day, Mouse. And these books are $7.99 plus 40% off. Very cute. And then they have all the different Valentine's Day card exchanges. So we've got more arts and crafts here. Cute little stickers, paper crafts, if you're looking to do different Valentine's Day projects. These are $2.49, pretty much ranging up to $4. Again, all of these would be 40% off. This is so cute. cute little paper craft stickers and items, ribbons for Valentine's Day. Lots of DIY options here. All the craft things, all the decor if you're into these types of projects. Oh, these are cute. I usually never see clothes in Hobby Lobby, but they've got sleep pans. Valentine's Day, these are super soft, $18.99 plus 40% off. This is always random about Hobby Lobby, but you can find jewelry. You can find jewelry in here sometimes. These are earrings, $7.49, super adorable for like even, just like giftable items for baskets, hair claws. They have little love pouches, of course, soft socks. Super, super cute. Could hang it at the entryway on that window, not window, but on that like mirror. Just hang it, it's so pretty. We've got these cute little treat bowls, top of table bowls. These are $7.99. They also come in this really cute pink and white color. You could put chocolate in these. You could put whatever you desire, maybe at your coffee bar. Really cute table runners, $12.99, come in black, red, pink, different smaller hearts on this one. And of course, we have all the different kitchen towels, bubblegum machine. This would be really cute for little treats. It says 5 cents. It's adorable. $8.49 plus the 40% off. So we're looking at about $5 for this. It's adorable. Cute little treat plates. Maybe you put your little cookies on these for a little nighttime snacky. Adorable. Love those. And then they have little espresso mugs. It's adorable. These are always really cute. You can use for school treat bags and put little treats in these and then do the little plastic over them. This is just $2.99 for this pack, which is a pretty good deal. Down here, they've got platters. So if you're doing a Valentine's Day, this is a really cute platter to pick up. This is $10.99, so we're looking at about $6. Adorable little plastic plates. These are $1.99. Little candied hearts. Really like that one. And then they have the matching kind of like kitchen towel to go with it. These are $5.49, so about $3.59 after the discount. This is more my style for Valentine's Day. I'm more like keep it chill with like one cute little heart. But I really like that. Gotta love a cute little wooden board. This would be cute for like a charcuterie for girlfriends or for date night at home. $12.99, so about $6 after the discount. And then tons of different baskets for all the Valentine's Day treats. Come on, get your little faux rose petals for your romantic night in. These are really nice. They're $7.99 before the discount. And they have a ton of those. This is really cute, just to like throw in a bedroom, little girl's bedroom. Love that, super soft. And then they have more throws, but then they also have the little bow pillows. These went fast. They only have one pink left, 40% off, and then one red, which is really pretty, super soft. This is really cute because it looks like Valentine's Day that can also transition into spring. Light pink with white. Adorable. All right, y'all, that's Valentine's Day at Hobby Lobby. Not too crazy, just enough, a little tap tap. So come on down to Hobby Lobby. They got 40% off right now for all your Valentine's Day needs. See you in the next one.